How you doing, guys? This is Joe with LVV. David's with me here. So we have to take out this blower motor here, okay? Let me get you guys a bird's eye view. Hey, David, can you move your body even though you have a nice little derriere over there? Thank you. Okay. All right, guys. So we got this gas-fired furnace suspended up in midair, right? Now, of course, what can go wrong will go wrong, guys. So we have this, we got the angle irons, okay, right in between where the motor's got to come out. So with that said, you see here our cable tie downs. Let me tell you, cable tie downs are the best thing since sliced bread. What I did was I hooked them up to the beam up top so we can take the pressure off and move that arm so we can get this blower wheel out of here. All right, because we need the whole assembly, we need to get it out, and then there's no way of doing it other than that. And of course, look, there's a nice gas pipe right underneath, so that always we can break that 90 right there. So we had to strap it up, that corner, the bottom, across here, and right up with one of the joists that's already hooked up too. Okay, so we're just gonna take it out, and then we're gonna slap this right back in. Okay, so that we're just suspending it up just to get the motor out and get it back in here. I'll get you some more video in a second. All right, guys, so we got the motor out. We're still strapped up. We put the angle iron back in. So we're gonna go out, get another blower, maybe a wheel if that doesn't come off, clean everything up, and then have to slap it back in. All right, so we'll get you some more video. Hey guys, so we're driving to Johnstone Supply in Farmingdale. It's a nice 15-degree day out today. Hopefully they got the motor that we need, or we could just use a rescue motor. That's always a good substitute. We did see if the wheel would break free from the shaft, and it did, so that's a really good thing. So we could just clean up the wheel. Sometimes they don't have the exact size wheel, diameter, and shaft and all that stuff, so it's good that we at least have that. So we can clean it up, clean up the whole inside, because it's about 30 years worth of dust and grime. So we're just gonna clean everything up, put the new motor in, we'll get you some more video about that, and then slap it back up there. All right, talk to you guys soon. All right, guys, so we had to wait a day, but we got the new motor from Allentown, Pennsylvania, sent to us, so we just put it in. New cap, new motor. We're gonna take this out over here. This is the fun part. All right, see, we strapped it in. All right, right up top, around the belly of the beast. And what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna see what we can do. I'll see if I can get you some shots over here. Oh, okay, that doesn't work. Let me see. All right, it's gonna be harder than I thought to get you some video. All right, we'll try. Hopefully that's good enough. All right, so I'm gonna lift this up here, pull this bracket out. It is strapped in, so it should be fine. You know what? Grab me the motor. I'll do it right from here. You don't want to keep this like this too long, even though the strap is there. We're gonna get the motor in and slap it back in as fast as we can. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Let's see, right there. All right, so you have to get it inside that. See, this is the bracket, goes into the one, goes into the other, and now it's Oh, sorry guys. And now it's inside. All right, we're just gonna put the piece back over here and be all right guys, so we're in. We're screwed in right there, and we had to run the wires because this is gonna close the whole thing up. So there's your blower motor. When it come down, goes through the penetration hole. All right, David's gonna hold on to that. And looky. The whole circuit board. So let's get all this, pull all this through. There we go. My goodness. Nothing's easy in life. Nothing's easy. Just be patient. Okay. What do we got here? So let's do this. We gotta take these wires out first. There you go. Now I got both hands. Move it over here. Let's get this. Will that fit? Now with all this garbage in here. Okay. All right, so guys, this is for the high limit, low limit. There's a high, low limit inside here. Okay, so it just popped off. Okay, hit stop on that. All right, guys, so just so you know, not all jobs go easy. We had to pull the beautiful motor out. It's not exactly what I'm saying in my head. I'm saying a lot worse and dirtier things. Anyway, so of course, this one popped off, and this is what I don't like manufacturers. Engineers, they only work on engineering, never about servicing. This is facing inside the motor, all the way back there. So if you wanted to check a limit here and here, you'd have to pull the whole blower assembly out just to check, which doesn't make any sense, okay? It doesn't make any sense at all. And then if you have to change it, let's say that you can maybe trace the wire and see that it's open. Okay, great. But now if you want to change it, now you got to take the whole blower assembly out. They could have did it at the bottom or something like that. Something that could have been much more accessible. So anyway, it fell off. We tried putting it back on, and then look what happens. It breaks right off. Where is it? Where's that piece? Right here, you see? So that's always a beautiful thing. So now we do not have this one, which is 165 open. We're gonna have to get it and then come back and reinstall this whole thing. All right, guys, so until now. How you doing, guys? So, sorry I didn't get the installation back in, all right, but we got the new blower motor and limits and everything like that all put in, and we just installed everything. We're about to take the straps off. There was a little hole over here, so we put some silver tape on it, and this job was complete. So we needed a new blower motor. We were able to clean the wheel. We put new sensors on the over limits, just because they're probably, this is a 1993 unit, so it's almost 30 years old. So we wanted to replace those because they're all the way in the back. I wish I showed it to you actually. They're all the way in the back, and just to get to them, you gotta rip out the whole blower assembly, which would require us to restrap it up, take this angle iron off. Okay, I wish it was off to the side a little bit more, because the blower semi doesn't come out. So we had to, we'd have to do all that just to get to it. So we said, you know what, just change out the $20 sensors there, or the over limits. All right, so we're up and running. Everything was good. I'll see you guys next video.